Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Big shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting crazy. Also, even give this video a thumbs up. Watch it straight through. It would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you guys do that. All right, let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. That's very important. Do not take what I say as financial advice in these videos. And also my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that, especially in cryptos. All right, so please be careful out there. Do your own research. All right, formalities are out of the way. Straight to community tab today. Obviously, I've got here, which market are we in right now? This is only a recent post, by the way. 75% of you have said a bull market, which I agree. 19% have said a bear market. I don't think so. Just putting it out there. That's out of 101 votes so far. That's going to go crazy. And yes, I added the following cryptos to my portfolio. I'm going to show you these right now. I added XRP, XDC, Reef, ADA, and UFO. And the reason why I added UFO is because obviously everyone knows that my MetaMask wallet was hacked due to some malware and whatever it may be. Anyway, so I lost some UFO, so I added it back into my portfolio because I was missing some. So there you go. That's the reason why I added UFO. And obviously, yes, my 3 commas trading bot has been going very, very nicely. I will show you that in a second because it's been making me some nice profits. Finally out of the red, which is really nice. So let's go to Coins.ph. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below. You can get $10 in Bitcoin to get you started, but please do your own research. Obviously, these prices are in Australian dollars. Just clarifying that for everybody. Everything else is set to US dollars. Bitcoin is still hovering around $60,000, 62,000 Australian, which is really nice. Ethereum is at 4,700 today. You've got Solana now, which has flipped XRP now 185. Luna's 157. You've got XRP at $1.14. There's some news about XRP we'll get into in a second. Cardono's at $1.61. I really think Cardano is going to be an absolute monster project in the future. AVAX 133. DOT is at $31. Matic's at $2.28. Keep scrolling down here. Crow, 65 cents. I am considering adding Crow to my portfolio because I think it's going to be a big project in the future. Near Protocol's $23. Links at $24. You've got Tron at 9 cents as well. Algo is at $1.25, up 0.64%. Stellar is at 32 cents. VeChain is still up above 7 cents, which is really nice as well, at 10 cents right now. Waves is down nearly 8% today to $63. Mana's at $3.69. Hedera's at 33 cents. You've got FTM at $2.23. Axie Infinity is down as well. I love Axie Infinity. And obviously, I'm staking this, earning some passive income on Coins.ph, which is really nice. $89 today. Obviously, ApeCoin's down. Not that I care about that. IOTA's $1.21. The Graph's at 69 cents. You've got Harmony One at 22 cents. Zill is another one that I just started trading on 3 commas, believe it or not. So that's been doing quite well. It's down 7% to 21 cents. Neom still holding at 37 cents. Gala's up today slightly to 35 cents. You've got Quant at $188. I'm seeing a lot of comments about Quant, so I will eventually do a video on QNT as well. Engine is at $2.52. You've got, keeps going down into my other favorites. Rose at 40 cents. And of course, XDC, which has dropped down a bit here to 8 cents. And I did buy that last night because I'm just slowly adding my bags and building up because I think this is one project that will get those multiples. Just saying. Let's go into the news today because there's not much happening in terms of that, in terms of, news, but there's some stuff happening in Australia, which I'll get into. On Crypto Bubbles, I'm going to refresh this. You've got the top coins today, which are Comp, Salo, CVX, Rose, Near Protocol. My trading bot on Near Protocol is going crazy, which is nice. Mina, ETC. Some, most of the altcoins are in the greens today, but there's a couple that are in the red, obviously, like Waves, for example, and Zill. Again, I'm just dollar cost averaging in every week. Now, obviously, you've got some updates in relation to what's going on here in Australia in regards to the regulation. Obviously, this is not good news. So, Aussie crypto influencers face tough new legal restrictions. Obviously, I say on a daily basis, this is not financial advice. This is just me documenting my journey with what I'm doing in my portfolio. So you need to do your own research, of course. But this is one of the reasons why I have to say this, obviously. So you've got the Australian Securities Regulator is taking a stand against financial influencers whom believe they are to be bamboozling the general public with misinformation about crypto. There's a lot of influencers out there who are paid a lot of money to shill crypto projects, and obviously those crypto projects most likely will be rug pulls, so a lot of people will lose money. I do not advocate that one bit. I'm not paid by anyone. I don't say that kind of stuff to my followers because everyone's like family on this channel. I wouldn't do that to family anyway, or anyone for that matter. So obviously just be very careful who you listen to out there, but this is some crazy stuff that's happening right now. New warnings from the Australian Securities Investments Commission, ASIC, on appropriate conduct for financial influencers could have a dramatic impact on the local crypto industry. ASIC's recent information sheet outlines that the traps influencers and companies that hire them could fall into while wittingly and unwittingly promoting financial products. The P's penalties failing to heed ASIC's warnings could lead to millions of dollars in fines for corporations and up to 5 years in prison for individuals. Got to be careful, ladies and gentlemen. Straight up, be very careful. Obviously, you need to do your own research with this stuff. Anyway, moving along to some other obviously positive news here. Ripple applauds Hester Peirce for blaming the SEC over lack of fair notice. So again, Ripple again is applauding Hester Peirce about this. The commission has refused, despite many pleas over many years, to provide regulatory guidance about how our rules apply to crypto assets. So some of responsibility for the lack of legal and regulatory clarity lies at our doorstep. Securities and Exchange Commission, everyone's favorite commission, has released a staff accounting bulletin regarding the accounting for obligations to safeguard crypto assets an entity holds for platform users. I'm not from my face here. The bulletin reflects the staff's evolving view on accounting for obligations to safeguard crypto assets and entity holds for its platform users. So the staff has determined that because of the risks of particular crypto assets, affected companies should record a liability and corresponding asset on their balance sheets at fair value. In support of this position, the staff highlights technological, legal, and regulatory risks associated with safeguarding blah, blah, blah. So the SEC refused to provide regulatory guidance for crypto. So in response to the staff accounting bulletin, the SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce stated her concern not with the accounting determination itself, which may be appropriate, but with the way that the change is being made. Commissioner Peirce first reminded those risks are not new and the SEC was already aware of that. Then she moved to criticize the fact that the SAB does not acknowledge the Commission's own role in creating the legal regulatory risks that justify this accounting treatment. The Commission has refused, despite many pleas over many years. And I'm not going to get into full-blown, but again, the SEC is just a bunch of clowns, just putting it out there. I think they have they've caused a lot of grief and hardship on investors in crypto and just in general, especially XRP holders, which is not good. So again, keep an eye on this crypto case with Ripple versus SEC, because I think, Ripple has got the upper hand in this case as well. Apologies about the banging. There's still renovations going on upstairs in the building here. You've got 313 million XRP wired by Ripple and exchanges, while Ripple locks 800 million XRP in escrow. I'm just putting it out there. There's a lot of XRP flowing back and forth from exchanges. Could be a potential relisting. Just saying. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Keep scrolling on here, guys. Big surprises. Bitcoin could be set for one of the biggest ever weeks as the price of Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Solana, and Luna swing. Obviously, the Bitcoin price has looked poised to break above $50,000 US, which I think it will, per Bitcoin for the first time since December. This month, as investors cheered a wave of good news, however, the price has dropped back towards 45K. I think we will see Bitcoin easily hit by the end of this month alone, well above $50,000 US. So we'll keep an eye on that. Obviously, yesterday I did add more of UFO gaming. No, I'm not paid by these guys. I just like the metaverse and the project. And gaming, I think, is going to be very big in the future, especially with all this metaverse stuff coming out, play to earn games. UFO gaming obviously is one project that I like because it is very low. It has got a massive supply of coins, which is my only hesitation here with UFO gaming. But again, I think UFO gaming is going to have some nice multiples, so that's the reason why I purchased it here. You've got Virtual Land, you've got Super Galactic right now. Obviously, these are their games right now. You've got the NFTs, play to earn, and obviously breeding and trading characters as well, and the marketplace that is being built. So that's pretty cool as well. And obviously, these are one of the coins that the most traded metaverse crypto coins with a market cap below $200 million. So again, I look for projects and cryptos that have the ability to get those multiples. That's the reason why I like it. Obviously, you've got here DAR. I'm not sure what Delania. I'm not invested in that one. Obviously, you've got VRA is another one that I'm looking at as well. And of course, TLM, I am holding and invested in TLM as well. And of course, UFO Gaming is another one as well. Keep moving on here. This is Veracity's website. Really cool. I think it's an incredibly undervalued project right now. And I like this also because of the staking ability. You can stake and earn interest on this passive income on CoinSpot, which is really nice as well. They're obviously got an incredible website here. They're going for esports and ad tech as well to stop fraudulent ad viewers, and mainly for content creators like ourselves or myself. It's really good for us in terms of, getting those positive views through and not fake and all that kind of stuff. So check this out. By 2023, advertisers' total loss of ad fraud could skyrocket to $100 billion. That is a lot of money, guys. Anyway, Verasity is one definitely for that, and obviously they're going for esports, which is massive, especially for Formula One esports. Formula One is incredible, and NFTs. Everyone knows about NFTs. This is Alien Worlds as well. Obviously, they've got their own metaverse. They've got NFTs. You can buy characters and stuff like that. Really cool project as well, and I'm invested in that, and it is available on CoinSpot. Just putting it out there. Obviously, got Cryptometer.io. Let's go and have a look at this. This obviously changes all the time. So I'm going to refresh it on the day. BNB is where the money's flowing. And in the hour, I'm going to refresh this. It's got GMT as well. Now, I did start trading GMT on 3 commas. So my bot's been doing quite nice as well. So we're getting to Twitter right now. Check up the market. Obviously, I started a poll the other day. The 19 millionth Bitcoin, that's a tongue twister, that one, was mined. So I've said, obviously, to the Twitter community, and make sure you're following me on Twitter and Instagram, by the way. Here's my Instagram page. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz right here. Feel free to follow me on that. Again, but I've said, what's everyone's price prediction for Bitcoin? So you've got 14% said 60,000, 18% said 100,000, 11% said 300,000, 57% of this poll on Twitter out of 57 votes. It's not much because I don't have a massive following on Twitter, but $500,000. So again, I think that's, well and truly achievable. Now, keep going on here. Jack the Rippler, thanks for this tweet. I don't know if you've seen this. Obviously, if you're an XRP holder, you must have seen this. This is Ashton Kutcher gifting Ellen DeGeneres $4 million worth of XRP. Have a look at this.
Now, usually people come out with the big giant check and do the big giant check thing, but we can actually transfer it into Rwandan francs right now, right here. And all we have to do is push this button and it's in your account. Do you want to push it? You want me to push it?
I would like to push it. I'd like to push it real good.
Bingo. We love you.
I don't know if you all heard that, but hang on.
Whether it's in Montecito, whether it's the people that come here, the people out there, you're always thinking about everyone else. And we wanted to show you that people are thinking about you. So, on behalf of Ripple, we'd like to give you $4 million.
That's an old video, just saying that's pretty crazy right there. Instantly, $4 million like that can get transferred. Try and do that through a normal banking institution. It just would not happen. Keep scrolling down here. The Miami Bitcoin conference is on. Obviously, there's a party going on between Ripple and Solo. Let me know in the comments below if you're attending. Obviously, being in Australia, we're not able to get there that quick. So it'd be interesting to see what happens there. Fear and Greed Index, as of 2 hours ago, sitting at 52 right now. I'm very bullish on that. Again, I think we're going to start seeing this going to the green because the market's only just starting to get a push up right now, which is really nice. And obviously, you've got a tweet here from XRP Crow. Thank you for this. So we will see some decisions maybe within a few weeks. This is Brad Garlinghouse right now. This is going back on the 10th of March. So again, I'm still optimistic and I'm still positive about this. And again, Ripple has got the upper hand in this case. Seriously, they do. And again, this is an accumulation phase, in my opinion, just dollar cost averaging whilst the market's pretty quiet. I mean, this is the time to buy your cryptos, basically. So keep scrolling down here. Obviously, you've got another news article. I covered this the other day. So Bitcoin's not the future of money, but this crypto could be. This is XRP, straight up. Follow the money. And you've got a whale alert here. 1,694 Bitcoin, $79 million US worth was transferred from Coinbase to an unknown wallet. Whales are buying cryptos right now. Obviously, you've got here another whale purchase, 86 billion Shiba Inu tokens despite SHIB's anemic price performance. A lot of whales are buying Shiba Inu, man. That's crazy amounts. So fun fact, 5 years ago, Bitcoin was $1,311. That's crazy. Some other transfers here, 2,100 Bitcoin, $96 million was transferred from Coinbase to unknown wallet. That is a lot of money. I'd love to know who these people are. Unbelievable, guys. Keep scrolling down here, guys. This is the article on Hester Pierce. And again, Ripple, Asia Pacific payments sector by numbers. So obviously you've got home to 20% of digital banks worldwide. Expected 83% smartphone usage rate by 2025. I mean, everything's on phones these days. This is why I do my videos on the phone. Pretty crazy stuff here. And that's pretty much it here in the Digital Pound Foundation. Are we ready for the digital currency? Well, I don't think we have a choice. I think that's going to happen anyway. Let's go into 3 Commas Trading Bot right now and check how this is going. So I'd like to give everyone an update. 1,435 USD. Obviously, you've got my portfolios made me $18.02 in profit so far. I mean, today, given the fact that my bots, I closed them out in November because I had $1 cost averaging bot set up and it was just completely crashed and wrecked. All my deals within that one bot were like down 40 to 50%. So I had to get out of them. I took a massive loss. Obviously, I've gotten everything back now. I'm well and truly in the greens, which is really nice. Again, there's a video on how to set up these bots, so please be careful, do your own research, but you can watch that as a sort of guide to, follow along. Obviously, I've got all my deals here. I've got GMT, Aave, Phantom, ZIL, and pretty much I've set up one deal. I'll show you this now. So obviously I've got a buy order of 10 USD tether. Safety order size is 10 USD tether as well. 20 safety orders. Safety order scales at 2, taking profits of 1.5%. My stop loss is off. And then basically when the deal goes down, it will buy the tokens. And then obviously when it comes up, it'll sell those. So that's pretty straightforward. And here are my deals at the moment. Near, GMT, Matic, Aave, Sandbox, ADA, Phantom, Link, Solana, Luna, ZIL, DOT, AVAX, Gala, Axie, Bitcoin, Waves, and XRP. That's pretty straightforward. I only trade high volume coins as well and big market caps. Obviously, just because if you're going really low cap and really high volatile altcoins, I've done that before. Did not work out very well, to put it that way. So that's pretty straightforward. There's a link below for 3 Commas. Please check it out. Do your own research. You can get 10% off your membership and a trial as well on the platform. So have a look. I've been using it. And again, I love it because it works with Binance or Binance US. And it's very secure because you are in control of your funds. That's the number one for me anyway. So that's pretty much it for that. Let's go to total market cap today. You've got a total market cap of $2.1 trillion, which is nice. $94 billion USD in volume. And again, we're on the greens. You've got 40% BTC, 19% Ethereum. I think we may see Ethereum get flipped very soon. I'm just saying. Near protocols up. Convex Finance, Compound, Cello, Oasis Network, and ZIL is down as well. Let's go to my portfolio. I'm going to bring this up now so you can see what I'm holding. I've got Bitcoin at $45,000 today, which is nice. It's holding above that range, which is really good. Down slightly, 0.06% today. I'm not really worried. XRP again. Cardano, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Matic, Near Protocol, Tron, Stellars for me is another one as well. VeChain, Mana, HBAR, Phantom, Sandbox, Axie Infinity, Theta, The Graph, BTT, Harmony, Neo, Gala, Loopring, Amp, Hollow, Theta Fuel, Oasis Rose, Anchor, XTC is another gem, Seacoin, Digibyte, Telcoin, Ravane, Nervous Network, Winlink, Superfarm, XYO. I've seen some other stuff about XYO, so I'm going to cover that as well because I think that's a gem as well. Obviously, I've got him very early with that. Reserve Rights, UFO Gaming, Metahero, VThor, Constellation DAG, Reef is at 1 cent. Proton, XPR, I like their payment system with their usernames instead of using an actual crypto wallet address. It's really nice. Verasity is a gem for me as well. Alien Worlds, Electronium, Kin, Star Atlas is another gaming project. Acropolis Gas. Sorry, I get paid from holding Neo, Ubix Network, Pitbull, and Ecomi. That's pretty much it. So again, obviously another thing about Ecomi is you've got to swap it from GoChain over to the ERC20 chain. You've got to use an exchange. I will do a video on that because I think that's pretty complicated for some people that are holding Ecomi. Let me know in the comments below if you have swapped out your Ecomi to ERC20 and obviously moved it out from an exchange to a secure wallet. So let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone. Stay safe. Have a good day. We'll speak to you soon. Peace. Bye.